Good morning, everyone. This is Ksenia with Aspen Sotheby's International Realty, and I am at the Larkspur Condo A4. It is located at 800 East Hopkins Avenue. So if you're driving on Main Street and you're going east out of town, you just basically go around that curve that becomes original and you make a left, and it's a gray building on the corner. I'll show you a little bit of the outside. This is a great, phenomenal location. And if you ever want to go down for a little walk, there's Park on the River right down there. And that's where the Rio Grande Trail starts. So you can hike and bike right outside of your home, or just do a little yoga or picnic by the park. There's also a lovely children's playground. So if you're thinking of moving here with your kids, this is a phenomenal location. And my favorite part about this condo is that it's 4 blocks to the gondola, so you can't pick a better spot than this. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. So this is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,440 square feet condo. It's on 2 levels, and it's kind of hard to find something this spacious in the core that's really nice and light and has a lot of space. So this area is, it can be like an office or a little sitting area. The condo that's upstairs that's under contract, they've had this sectioned off. So right here where you see the walls, they've put some, wall and some doors. So they've made it into an office. But since there's a powder room right here, you can essentially do another bedroom if you wanted to. So the way the upstairs unit that's under contract is configured is they have it in 4 bedrooms. So this is a little washer and dryer room here, which is nice to have in the unit. And this is the kitchen, living area, and dining room. And as you can see, it's very light. It stays nice and cool. There's an awesome wood-burning fireplace. Obviously, a lot of the remodeled condos now in Aspen don't have that anymore. So to have, that smell of the wood-burning fireplace is a nice little addition. I also like that there's a lot of outdoor space with these condos. So you get these really nice and spacious balconies. So you can come out and have a cup of coffee or grill some burgers. There's a grill right there. So as you can see, we're right in the corner of Hopkins and Original. So right in the core, you're minutes from everything. And I think the best part about this condo is the price point. So it's at $2,495, and at 1,440 square feet, that puts it at about $1,700 a square foot. Which with the low inventory that we've been having and with the crazy market where everything's just flying off the shelves, it's nearly impossible to find something less than $1,700 a square foot in the core. And if you do see anything, it's probably under contract. So anything that's $1,600 is under contract now in the core. So this is the guest bedroom. Also very nice and spacious, lots of natural light. And you've got plenty of storage space in this condo. So lots of closets if you wanted to keep your skis in here, or, winter, summer clothes. There's tons of room to do all of that in. And then this bedroom has a bathroom right here that has a shower and a tub. And then another spacious closet off of the hallway here. And this is just a little linen closet. And then of course we have the master bedroom, which is also nice and light, very spacious. And this is my favorite part. So you have your own little walkout patio. So if you have any pets that need to go for a little run around, or if you want to read a book, obviously tons of nature. It's very quiet, even though it's on the street. I mean, you can hear there's really not that much road noise. And then beautiful bathroom with a double vanity, steam shower, spacious walk-in closet, and there's also one more closet off of the side of this bedroom. So there's a walk-in closet in there. And that's it for the tour. And I think the best part about this building is there's only 10 owners. So it's a nice, quiet building. You get one assigned parking spot. And then the HOA dues are fairly low for the core. They're only about $4,000 a quarter. So if you're thinking of moving to Aspen, I think it doesn't get better than this location, because you're literally minutes away from all the restaurants. You can go ski, you can go to the Rio Grande Trail for hiking and biking, and the amount of just outdoor space is also super nice, that you can just step out and have a lovely time outside. This is just the view I'm going to show you really quickly of the downstairs patio. So lots of room, lots of space. This can be remodeled. So just like the condo that's under contract upstairs, they've split one of the guest bedrooms into two. And that office in the beginning that we saw was the fourth one. So you can essentially make it 4 bedrooms. A lot of the major renovations in this building have been done. So they've completely replaced the sewers, which was a huge project. So all of these carpets are new. These windows overlooking Red Mountain have just been put in a couple of weeks ago. There was a recent remodel for the kitchen, the bathroom, so the tiles that you see are new, cabinets. And the nice thing about this condo is that it hasn't been used a lot, so it's in great shape. If you want to come see it, it's available. It's sold furnished, and it's vacant. So I'm happy to show it to you guys anytime. If you'd like to reach me, my cell is 646-492-3493. Again, that's 646-492-3493. And I would be happy to show it to you anytime. Give me a call, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching.